I'm so New York. New York gritty. Fire at my feet, flames all around. Fire at my feet, flames all around. Fire at my feet, flames all around. He made it a hot line, I made it a hot song. Fire at my feet, flames all around. Fire at my feet, flames all around. Fire at my feet, flames all around. He made it a hot line, I made it a hot song. Shots flying, Cuddy's hitting my hotline. Look at my rhyme book, nigga, nothing but hotlines. Put this on Hot 97. The track dropping 9, be getting interviewed by 11. It's only right I go LeBron on them. Funk flex, bring it back and drop the bombs on them. Safe to say I brought the city back so you can hit the road, Jack. Don't come back unless you ready for combat. My sound underground like a wombat. Got a little buzz, it's been a light, yeah. I don't fight fair, I'm beyond that. I'm from grimy ass New York. Stab you in the diner with a used fork. I'm more on it than you thought. I'll get you smoked by everybody that you fought. Now that's strategy. Hip-hop was dead, I'm here to change the batteries. Fire at my feet, flames all around. Fire at my feet, flames all around. Fire at my feet, flames all around. He made it a hot line, I made it a hot song. Fire at my feet, flames all around. Fire at my feet, flames all around. Fire at my feet, flames all around. He made it a hot line, I made it a hot song. Elias to BK, this is how we live. Catch 'em on Williamsburg, throw 'em off the bridge. My mom's from the Ave and my pops is from Ridge. In other words, my heart colder than the fridge. This that old New York. Y'all niggas got it sounding like we sold New York. Shit, I feel like I owe New York. So I'ma bring us back, that's what I told New York. Been to the star a couple times, but I'm really from Bushwick. Lived in Jamaica, Queens for a while, really on my hood shit. That's that 40-40 P's, but I ain't living the projects. I was crossed the way, hitting shots like every day. My niggas got the lower east, looking like the Middle East. Know some swooty niggas that's ready to unleash the beast. I'm the type to body in the back of church while the preacher preach. He was in on it, say your prayers before you go to sleep.